And we'll be doing some live trading coming up in the near future. I'm going to get back into trading. I'm a little burnt out. If any of you guys have known me and followed me for the past 6 months, just got done with the World Series, a little drained on that aspect. We are going to probably trade on Kick or YouTube Live. We'll get that figured out. It was really fun trading in on the Kick platform earlier this year. We'll be doing this again. I get tired, guys. I do. I work a lot. I work very hard. I'm up early, grinding in the market and then playing poker, etc. But we're going to get back into it. We're going to continue to build success, drive motivation to all you guys. And I hope this is a really good channel for you guys to gain some true knowledge, gains. It's always got to be about gains. And I hope I start helping you guys change your lives for your future, your family, etc. Thank you so much. Alright, so welcome back to another video about Tradingview indicators. This one's going to be about Lazy Bear and Lux Algo together and the win rate associated with it. Is it possible to get over 1,000%, under 1,000%, 800, 1,000%? Yes, actually it is. With today's day, an age with technology, with the trading indicators, yes, you should. If you are a new beginner, you should technically not be trading without indicators unless you have master chart analysis and trend identifications and have some kind of concept behind you with trading knowledge. So if you are just basic and even intermediate and a little bit even a little bit of experience, I still highly recommend trading indicators for you unless you're at a different level of trading. These will help you in 2024. They are pretty darn good. And with my assessment and looking at these, this can help and change a lot of people's lives. Trading futures, trading swing trades, etc. because they are helping you guys utilize and maximize the most out of your trades. So let's just jump right into the video. This is another video about the trading indicators. This is going to be about Lazy Bear, this momentum squeeze indicator, Lux Algo, order blocks, super trend added into it, and another wave trend by Lazy Bear, and throwing all these into one, making a master chart of indicators, giving us about 1,000% in backtesting. This is insane. This is very good. I like where things are going with indicators. There's a lot of info and knowledge out there to help traders become successful, to have a passive and supplementary income on top of what they're doing. So let's get right into the video, guys. All right, so we are going to go to indicators. We'll go to Lux Algo. All right, we'll throw that one on first. Lux Algo. And we are looking for we're going to go down and look for order block detector. And when you find that, you are going to click that to your chart. All right. It is right here, order block detector, right here. About 10,000 people utilize this, which is pretty cool. All right, so we'll turn that one on. All right. And as you can see with the order block detector, you are seeing heavy buy, right? It's pretty straightforward. You're seeing heavy buying pressure setting the market up, right? And with the two red zones on the top, this is where massive selling occurred, which is pretty accurate. Sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. As you can see, all indicators are lagging, so have your due diligence and understand the market. But that is sweet. Look at that. Sell off, sell off, sell off, right? And we picked up a buy, right? A buy, a buy. So how do we make these indicators even more accurate? We throw in another indicator. So we are going to go to indicators tab, guys. We are going to go to the super trend. The super trend is trending right now. That's funny, but it is a very good indicator. It helps you with the buy and sell signals. It gives you an edge, I guess, right? It gives you an edge. So we'll click this one. About 43,800 people are using this one by Kovacevic. Sounds Russian, but he's pretty good with his trading indicators. He's got quite a few of them that are pretty good. So let's turn this one on. And as you can see, we get confirmations, right? Lux Algo did not pick up this big sell-off, but the trend did, right? So if you would have caught this, you would have known to catch the sell down. And whoa, this is a double confirmation right here. Lux Algo showed massive buying, right? Order block, and then the super trend also printed a buying signal. That would have been double the confirmation, right? So it gets good, guys, right? You're getting more confirmations, more assurance, helping you become a better trader. Well, now let's get right into really pretty much why you guys are here, the lazy bear indicators, which are very popular. So we are going to go down to the squeeze momentum indicator by Lazy Bear, and we are going to test it. Lazy Bear. All right. Well, let's get out of here. Let's just put squeeze momentum. Okay, squeeze momentum by Lazy Bear. Wow, over 88,900 use cases for this indicator. So let's click that to the chart. We will add it, and boom. So even the squeeze momentum indicator shows you a massive squeeze to the upwards, right? You're seeing all green movement to the upside. You're seeing the Lux Algo order blocks being filled to the upside. You're getting a confirmation of a super trend. I don't know what more a trader would need, right, to give confidence on what's going on in this market. This is obviously this was right before the close, so this would have initialized maybe buying some options a few days out, and so some calls, right, giving you guys confirmation, buy, boom. And would it have been the right move? Absolutely. Market flew 518 all the way up to 528. That would have been a really big move to the upside, guys. And then following the squeeze momentum, you're getting no confirmation to release it, because look, even though it was in the red, it's not a really big squeeze to the down movement, right? So you would have never released your contracts, your futures, your options, etc. Because look, the big red indication volume going up is showing you squeeze to the upside. We're getting selling pressure right here, but it's not a real big squeeze to the downside. This is probably why this trading indicator is so popular, because wow, that would have continued to make a lot of people more money, right? To continue to hold their position. Look at that. You would have seen baby block, not really much selling. We're seeing red, but it's not squeezed to the downside. People would have held. It would have continued to go up. You would have seen this, and it goes even higher, right? This is very, very, this is good. This is really good technology for us traders. But let's just throw in the last indicator. It is by Lazy Bear, and utilizing all four of these indicators set you up for maximum success, close to 1,000% success win rate. That's insane, guys. That's really insane. So let's go right up to the indicator chart. We're going to do wave trend by Lazy Bear. Wave trend. All right. By Lazy Bear. And let's find it. All right, we'll just put the WT, make it easier. WT, Lazy Bear. Boom. Okay, so we have the indicator wave trend oscillator by Lazy Bear. 48,000 again. Very popular indicators. Click this to your chart. Let's figure out how to utilize these. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to tell you a little trick with this one. This one actually was one of my favorites, and it showed me how to use. I don't know if you guys are familiar with crossing, right? Your 30 MA, 50 MA, etc. When lines cross, the movement is going to go down, etc., higher and lower. But as you can see, when the red dots over here indicate a cross, that means an upward movement until you get the red cross above. Guys, above shows a downward potential movement, and you are getting it extremely accurate, very, very good. And you see the dip declines over here, and then it starts to go up. So you would have the red dots trailing outside of the green zone, showing momentum to the upside. You would see the squeeze momentum showing you upside. You would still see the green super trend trending to the upside. No major selling pressure coming from the order blocks of Lux Algo, continuing you to hold. Wow, 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 this is powerful. So let's start the day, right? Let's see how the open would have been August 13th, 2024 at 6:30 Pacific time. That is my time of trading. I'm going to press. Let's just not even figure out the 15-minute open here, pivot zones. Let's just go strictly off of these indicators, right? Let's go off of indicator strategy and not go off of a couple of my utilized strategies that require no indicators. So I am going to continue on with the day. So as Tuesday would have kickstarted, let's see what ends up happening and prints off. And if I followed this, would I have been profitable and made money? So far we have a huge gap up, right? Not a huge gap up, but we're gapped up right now to 537. We're getting a buy right around this region. So a buy super trend has printed. We're getting a squeeze momentum from the lazy bear shooting us to the upside. We are getting the red dots inside the green line of the wave trend by lazy bear, indicating a higher movement, right? So let's just see how accurate it is when the red dots cross to get out of the position. And that is where the money is going to be made, because this one, in my opinion, is very accurate. Wave trend oscillator by lazy bear. So it's starting to form a curve, right? Letting us know that this is gassing out. Let's see if it crosses. It looks like it's about to cross. Look at this, guys. See, I'm very adamant with this indicator. It is crossing. It's very, very close. It has not crossed. It is touching the green line. It looks like the top of the squeeze momentum is in. Even though we are in a green trend, this is letting me know to get ready to exit my position, right? And as it crosses over, I would have sold. I am going to sell, right? Let's see if it's, oh, it is completely crossed now. Let's see if it's there, and I would have sold that position, and let's see what ends up happening. So on. It's crossing, but it looks like the green line is curving back right underneath it. The wave momentum squeeze indicator is still showing strong, right? It's crossing back. It looks like the green line is crossing back over. See, trading can be stressful. You just want to maximize profit and litigate as much losses as possible. But it's still looking to the downside because we're still getting the dots to the red side. What would I have done here? I probably would have patiently exited the market. In the futures market, would that have been a gain? 536 to 538, absolutely. That would have been about 20 points right there. One contract, guys, about $1,000, depending on how you're trading. It looks like it is crossing over now again to the upside. The wave trend oscillator is giving us more confirmation to hold. Look at that. It is insane. The squeeze momentum is still holding strong. The super trend is still in a buying zone. This would have been a very interesting setup. I don't want to put any of my knowledge in trading, utilizing strategies without. I just see potentially a double top right here. I'm going to go straight off of indicators and no knowledge to charts, patterns, liquidity, etc. I'm just going straight off of these indicators. I guess I'm going to continue to hold. These red dots are continuing to stay underneath. My personal opinion, I would have looked at this. This is a liquidity zone. This is interesting because some traders would have held or continue to go long. Wow, this indicator is pretty good. Let's see what continues to happen. Continues to move. Let's speed this up a little. Boom. Continuing to stay in a buy zone. Wow, the liquidity grab is real, right? I would have seen a double top, potentially have gotten scared, but it does cross over. I'm still in my buy zone. The squeeze momentum is still holding strong. I'm not really seeing a red volume to the downside. The lazy bear wave trend oscillator is still showing prominence. This is very, very interesting, guys. You should not be trading as a beginner, and even with level basic experience. If you've been trading for 5 years, you should at least be using these indicators, because look at them. They're very, very profitable, and they're pretty good. But one thing I will point out with this trend oscillator, this is in overbought territory, right? I would definitely be considering leaving my position right here. because this is breaking above a red line, and usually as sell-off occurs, this is just my personal opinion, but let's see if a sell-off occurs or it continues to go. Remember, you still want the confirmation from the squeeze momentum. It's not in red, so maybe it's a bad idea, right, to let that position go, even though we are squeezed extremely into the overbought region. We are getting another Lux Algo order block, right? But we do have massive. Oh, got him. Okay, but we are coming across huge selling block pressure above this zone, close to the $43 region. Like I said, this is completely oversold territory. I would have exited out of my calls because it did drop a little, even though it wasn't a full body red candle. Options, you would have gotten a little aggravated, but it is continuing to cross back up to the upside with the red dots on the inner line of the green circle. The squeeze momentum indicator is still green. The trend is still green. The order block is printing another green zone. Holy cow, this is so much confirmation. I wonder what happens when we get close to the red order blocks from Lux Algo, if it is a big sell-off. This is revolutionary, guys. I don't know what to say. This is trading, and that looks like, oh, now it looks like we are live, right? Because that was a replay bar, but now it looks like we're in live territory with the market getting ready to close in 6 minutes. As you can see, we are coming near the red order block and a sell-off is occurring. Holy cow, this is amazing. Very high accurate selling pressure. We haven't even touched the red order block and it's already getting ready to sell. This is Lux Algo's order block detector. Holy cow, right? The squeeze momentum's getting ready to fall. It's going lower because Lux Algo's had this printed all day, guys. This was a zone to watch out heavily to the downside, and we haven't even touched it. And we've already seen selling pressure. Wow. Taking the trades to the next level, guys. You tell me what you think. Leave a description in the comments. You guys tell me, comment, and I'll tell you my thesis. This is really good, right? You guys have seen this. This is not a lagging indicator. This has been here from the previous day. This printed on the 2nd of August, already giving you that order block, right? And we are approaching that red order block, giving us, this would have helped for a swing trade, right? Because that would have been roughly August 5th, and this is August 13th going into the close. This order block has already shown red, showing that there was a big drop. There's a big drop potentially coming. Wow. So Lux Algo, way to go, right? Order block. And for your day trading and scalping, the super trend was pretty darn good. We have not seen any red candles yet. The squeeze momentum is still in the green. The wave trend oscillator is doing phenomenal. We just know that we are approaching oversold territory, but the order block is telling us that that's been going on for the past few days. So this, in my opinion, could have been a very good swing trade opportunity, day trade opportunity, scalping move, etc., depending on and moving your time frame as well. This is on the 5-minute. We didn't even test this on the 15-minute, the 30-minute, etc. This is where it is at, guys. I'm just really curious to see, wow, if somebody was like a bot, like literally, if I just had my funds in here and I literally set my trades up to this, right? And I walked away from my computer. I don't recommend that. But I'm hearing that's becoming popular, but I would have done that with like a small account, not large amount of money in futures, that you buy and sell in the signals, etc., and you set that up your way. That's another video. But there are people that are doing that. They have all the indicators set up. It's auto selling and buying for them. It's like AI bots, right? This is pretty sick. These are for the people that don't really want to waste the whole 8 hours on the market, right? I don't recommend that. I mean, it is trending. I do see some positive evidence from it, but anything can go wrong, right? What happens if that stop loss wasn't really hit? Because these are automatically buy and sell orders. I would be really cautious about it. I would literally just put the time out and sit here. This is your money, your hard-earned money. You would have won for the day, guys. Look at this. 536, 540. That's $6, right? That's 60 points in the futures market. $6 is really good on your options, your call and longs and options, depending on how you had them expiring, right? This would have been a very good move, and you would have had indication to stay in this as of 5:36. There was zero indication to get out. The only indication that you would have seen to maybe take profit or sell is when the wave trend oscillator approached the red line, showing that it was oversold, and obviously there was a big red drop, right? This drop was 539 to 540. What was that? 539.60. It was about $1. It was about $1 drop. Look at it. It fell right off, but nothing too dramatic. The biggest indicator of selling right now is just that order block that we're getting ready to approach in the next 2 minutes, because the market closes in 2 minutes, because this is live right now in the market, or this is going to open up Wednesday morning, either above or below. But this is showing strong indication, guys. Another great educational video by Joe W. Trades, showing you top-notch indicators, premium indicators, free indicators, and actually going over and explaining how to use them. And the win rate. Like, the win rate is close to 8 to 1,000%, depending on how you would have utilized and capitalized on your stop losses or your take profit zones. This is insane, guys. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel. I'll give you more educational tutorials, videos that are going to help you succeed, grow your account, and be financially free, right? With the supplementary income. I hope it grows and does well for you guys. Let's continue this. Thank you so much. Show some support to Joe W. Trades. Thank you.